I go stop here because when the answer like I want make good answer. Labour Party.
Mama Pikin.
Mama Papa Pikin.
Labour Party.
People of Kogi State, I've listened to your candidate, your next governor. I've listened to the chairman of our party. Why politics is not working in Nigeria is you. It is you that is making politics not to work. It is us that is making it not to work. The reason why we are making it not to work is that we think those people who are giving us money are giving us their money. No, it is your money that they have stolen and they are giving it to you small. It is your money they stole, they are giving you small. It is not their money. What Labour Party is doing in Nigeria is to stop the stealing. We want to stop the stealing and start using the money to improve infrastructure, to improve education, to improve health. That's what Labour Party is doing. Look at the state like Kogi State. I went to see a traditional ruler in Kogi State this morning, and I told him, and I will repeat it here, Kogi State have every reason to be a rich state. Kogi State have a size of 29,800 square kilometers. Call it 30,000 square kilometers. So Kogi State is same size as Belgium. Kogi State is 7.5 times the size of Dubai. Kogi State is 3 times size of Gambia. Gambia is 33, Kogi is 30. So minus or plus 10%. Is the same size. Kogi is 1.5 times size of Israel. So Kogi have no reason to be poor. Kogi State is where we have Adejoh steel. Steel today is one of the most important things you need in the world. One of the most important natural resources you need in the world today. Every place where there's steel today is prospering except Kogi State. Kogi State today have Obajana. Everywhere we have a cement facility is prospering except Kogi State. Kogi State will highest producer of cassava. They want cassava everywhere in the world. They can produce yam, they can produce everything because there's a vast land. But there's poverty everywhere in Kogi State. That poverty can be solved by your vote. That poverty can be solved by your vote. That's what we are preaching in Nigeria. Your candidates have told you. Let them not tell you about they come from here, or you come from here, or you are this religion, or you are that religion. Have you seen anywhere where Muslims buy bread cheaper? No. Is there any place where Christians buy rice cheaper?
No.
When they come, they tell you the same story. If you go to a petrol station, the same price for Muslims, same price for Christians, same price for everything. When they come to vote, they tell you, oh, he's a Christian, he's a Muslim, he's from this location, from that location. Let me tell you, There's more poverty in the north. Barr was there for 8 years. Okay. There's more insecurity in the north. He was there for 8 years. And that is what is happening now. The problem will be solved when you decide to do the right vote. Our candidate have told you who he is. He has told you the school he went to. He has told you the school he went to. He has told you what he's doing. I say go and that's what we are doing in Labour. We are not saying we are the best, we are professors. But we can tell you the primary school we went to, the secondary school we went to. And if you want, we'll show you our classmates. So we are not into, we are not claiming what we are not. What we are claiming is what we are. I have been a governor for 8 years in Anambra State. You can go.
Are you ready? I can see the love. 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 Oh my God! I can see the leader. I can see His Excellency. I can see His Excellency Peter in the building. Yes. Kogi is saying for this generation.